dearest customers. This is Leader Display from Shenzhen, and we are so glad to see you all here. Now I'm going to make a brief introduction of our company. Hope this could help you to know more about us. Here comes the first part, which is enterprise profile. Our Leader Display is a professional manufacturer in China specializing in designing and creating and cardboard pop displays, which includes floor displays, sidekick displays, packhood displays, and pallet displays, cardboard furniture, carton brochures, color boxes, cardboard toys, and corrugated boxes. Our team was established since 2004, aimed to help you to customize the display suits your products best. And our versatile range of stands allow you to display a huge variety of products, samples, brochures, or anything else to give you the maximum eye-catching exposure to your customers. Here are some pictures of our company. The first one is our showroom. There are all kinds of display stands in our showroom. And the second one is our printing room. The max printing size of our printing is Roland 906. And the printing machine is 121 plus 162 centimeters. The last one is our lamination room. We have two sets of lamination machine, and our max mounting area is 165 by 165. Here are all our qualifications and honors. To make our clients satisfied and reliable on us, we have passed many qualification tests, which includes the Quality Management Systems certification, as well as the number of new patent certificates. Also, the Alibaba Gold Plus Supplier Certification Test, as well as the SEDEX Member Ethical Audit Certification. Here is something about our quality. For our best quality of the products, we always make sure that every step is strictly guaranteed. No matter the glue test, the white cardboard inspection, the covering paper detection, or the color matching, the loading bearing test, as well as the ink detection. Here are some pictures of our color matching process. As you can see, when we deliver the goods to our customers, we will provide them with a color proof as the final reference. And here are our certificates of pallet testing of Sam's Club as well as Walmart. All our containers have to be C-page tested for half an hour before loading the displays. We have to admit that some of the producers might think it is too troublesome to change the container if it has something wrong. But for us, there was a time that we found many containers leaking, so we required to replace another container for loading. Even if it takes time, it gives our customer enough protection. And here are some honors we gained before. Our team has won the Great Award of Display Engineering Enterprise and the top 10 brands in China's display industry, as well as the group member of Shenzhen Convention and Exhibition Industry Association. The last one is we have won Silver Award in Shop Greater China Award Contest. Here is an authorization of Disney. I'm so glad to tell that we are the authorized manufacturer of Disneyland. And after that, I will introduce you. We also cooperate with many other big brands. Now here come to our second part, which is our products introduction. We have produced thousands of projects, and here are several classifications of our products. The floor display, hook display, counter display, pallet display, dump bin display, retail packaging, trolley box, circuit display, totem display, as well as standing. And this is one of our hottest products. No matter you are the individual buyer or a big brand, maybe you just need a little piece of the displays and you are concerned about the price of customization. So we provide this activity to meet all your needs. Have you ever met a factory that can be ordered by all one piece? Have you ever met a display just needed $19 in one piece? If you never met before, now you have met us. We offer display by $19 one piece, and you can also customize it. Here is one of our patent products, which is the 5 seconds pop display. Some of our customers are so concerned that they cannot assemble them successfully, so we make this one. This one could be assembled only in 5 seconds, and which is really time saving and quick assembled. And this is another one which we have the patent. This is the elevator system display. Just like its name, we install a little system in the display, and when we put the goods on it, it could rise up from the bottom. So if you want to make it a little more mysterious, maybe you could choose this one. And except for the cardboard displays, we also produce the display stands for many other materials, like the plastic one and the foam board one. You can see we can make many beautiful colors. Here is the acrylic displays. As you can see, this is a picture of our shipment. Okay, so the above is the display part. Now we come to the calendar box part. Except from the display, we also provide these products for our customers, since some of you might want to make it more colorful and surprising for your customers. So with this one, you could put all your awesome products in it and make your clients more surprised. For the calendar box, we also provide many special shapes and different colors. Also many different structures like the box and just simply cardboard or some other type. Now we come to the third part, which is the production part. We have 9 steps of producing, from designing to digital cutting sample, printing, surface finishing, mounting, die cutting, gluing, packaging, as well as the final part, shipping. So how can we make a customized display for you? The first step is to confirm the products and the dimensions so that we can customize the products according to your needs. And the next part is we will design the die line for you. The third part is to finish the artwork, and then we will make a 3D graphic. Lastly, make them into the real sample. You can see there are a little more picture about our procedures. And some of you might be confused, then how can we shape those wonderful displays to you? We have 2 ways. The first way is to flat pack. By this way, we will pack one or several sets of displays into one carton with assembly instruction sheet. And normally the assembly time is about 2 to 7 minutes for our clients. This way might be a little troublesome for our clients to assemble by themselves, but this one is more cost effective. And the second way is pre-filled pack, which is mainly to deliver the fully assembled display to client's factory for them, or to fill with goods or clients send the goods to us and allow us to assemble the display and feel with this directly. Here you can see this is the shipment picture of our company. And here is assembled shipment. Here I would like to share with you a little story of our company. There was a time that we received an urgent 5,000 sets order with pre-assembled requirements from our clients on target. So the customer asked for 10 days from production, assembly, shipment to catch their schedule. Moreover, some of the workers in our production line have not yet arrived due to the return trip. So it's a huge challenge to our whole team. And the office staff went to the production line to assemble in successive shifts to complete the impossible task. All 8 containers were loaded on time. And although a little injured of our colleagues, but I am proud of this big collective in Leader Display. Now we come to the last part, which is corporate culture. As a 15 years display company in this industry, we have attended many exhibitions and also are willing to attend more. The Hong Kong Gift and Premium Fair, the Hong Kong Mad Show, and the Hong Kong International Printing and Packaging Fair. As I have mentioned before, except from the Disneyland, we also cooperate with many other famous brands. As you can see, the Walmart, Coca-Cola, Philip, Hello Kitty, and so on. We are so glad and pleasured to cooperate with them, and also we are so eager to cooperate with you in the future. Here is our warm team. As you can see, we have passed 15 years time, and we have many interesting moments together. Like this one. This one is our Leader Display latest fashion runway show. We also confirm that to make our clients feel our enthusiasm, we will try our best to make our moments in the company enjoyable and also funny. And here are our team with our displays. Here I would like to show you some of our customers' feedback, like good job and they are perfect. Leader Display has been the perfect partner, and so on. As you can see, our customers always love us, and they will always choose us no matter now, past, or in the future. And you can see that these are our boss with some of our cute customers. I'm so glad that all of you have listened until now, and we are so eager to cooperate with all of you in the future. If you are interested in any, please come to us and get more infos. Thank you.